Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap pharma stock where Nomura, which is one of the world's premier financial institutions, has bought 9,50,000 shares at rupees 410. Now this stock has also been set forward by Axis Capital as a stock that they think would double by 2024. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Eris Life Sciences Limited, which is available at rupees 410.45 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is ERIS. Now Eris Life Sciences Limited is an India-based pharma company which is engaged in marketing, manufacturing and selling of generics within the chronic and acute categories of the Indian pharmaceutical market. Now foreign brokerage firm Nomura picked up 9,50,000 shares of Eris Life Sciences at the price of rupees 410 per share through a bulk deal on the BSE. The pharmaceutical company on November 7 had reported a 9% year-on-year rise in its consolidated net profit to rupees 92.71 crores in Q2 of FY20 against 85.50 crores in the corresponding quarter of the previous financial year. The company's sales stood at rupees 280.46 crores, rising 8% year-on-year from rupees 260.56 crores that it had reported in Q2 of FY19. Now looking at the one-year chart, this company has not really created any wealth for its shareholders and has generally been a laggard. The EPS of 22.61 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 18.15, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 28.36. The price to book ratio of 4.83, however, is expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0128, which is a decent number, whereas the return on equity is also a very strong number at 0.2654. The company does not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding is an above average figure of 56.23%. None of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.